CJ Dropshipping on Shopify tutorial. How to use CJ Dropshipping on Shopify. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at CJ Dropshipping and how you can connect it to your Shopify store. Now, first of all, if you don't have a CJ Dropshipping account, then on the top right hand side, just over here, there will be a sign up or a sign in tab, and you can just tap on the sign up. You can enter some basic details, an email address, some contact information, and you can have an account. Now, if you do already have an account, you can just tap in, sign in, and then you will land up on this page. Now, there are a few awesome things about CJ Dropshipping. First of all, one of the very nice things is on the right hand side, there is actually a delivery time and a shipping calculator. So you can first of all choose the country that it is being delivered from, which over here we've selected China because this is where most of the products are coming from, and the country that it's being shipped to is being selected as the US. Now, if you have a look down here, they give you the service that is used, the shipping method, and then the estimated delivery time. And as you go down here, you can imagine that something that's going to take 3 to 7 days is going to cost a little bit more than something perhaps that is going to say 9 to 22 days and so forth. So you can just imagine that there is a difference in the costs, and if you want to figure out what the cost is, you can just tap on the shipping calculation, which I will get into later. Now, if you want to connect your Shopify store, you have to first of all log into your Shopify store and actually have a store, and this is what mine looks like. Now you can go back to the CJ Dropshipping tab, and on the right hand side you will see on the top toolbar My CJ. And what we can do is we can just move this Alex Help tab right over here out of the way, and on the left hand side you will actually see that there is a bunch of options that you can manage your store with. So you've got your My CJ, which will give you a bunch of options, your orders, your carts, your products, your print on demand, and then you've got store authorization. Now, once you tap store authorization, you can now select which store you want to actually connect to CJ Dropshipping. So we're going to go ahead and tap on Shopify right over here, and once we've done so, you will get to this page and it says you haven't authorized any stores yet, and then we can just tap on add store. Now, if you don't have a store already in Shopify, you can just tap on this create your own store right now, but for now we are going to add our existing store. And then you are into this page here, and it says Shopify authorization. As you travel down this page, it'll give you a bunch of details as to how to actually install the app. And on the bottom right hand side, you can just tap authorize. And this is now the Shopify app store. And on the left hand side, you will see an add app icon, and you can just tap on that. And this is then the page that you will get into, and on the top right hand side you will see an install app, and this will now integrate the two apps or the two bits of software. So now you can have your CJ Dropshipping connected to your Shopify store. Right over here it says welcome to CJ. One step more to store authorization. Please select or log in to a CJ account to authorize. Now, so what you need to do here is, it says here you have logged into this account before, so please confirm. It gives you your email address, and then you can tap authorize. If that is not the correct email address, you can tap another account, or you can just register a new account. For now, we are just going to tap on authorize, and then confirm. And then you get this massive green banner over your screen, and it says you are now authorized. We can just close that window. It says authorization successful. CJ will help you make dropshipping business much easier. So here we are now on their homepage, and again on the top of the page there is a banner with some tools. We can just tap on My CJ, and this will now take you to your store right over here. And then you will be brought to this page over here. So this is basically an overview page of everything that is happening on your account. So you have your levels of membership, and then as you travel down, you have some CJ skills which you can unlock as you go through the process: your order analysis, your billing information, active stores, shipping method, statistics, and some product recommendations, and so forth. Now, on the left hand side, you will have a toolbar which you can basically access a bunch of stuff. So if you're going into my CJ, then these are the options that you have. We can just move Alex out of the way again. So you can either access your dashboard, you can source products right over here from different places. You can view your product list, you can view some photography and your inventory right here on CJ Dropshipping. You can also access your wish list and your custom packaging settings and customization to your account. Then we can go on to having a look at your orders, your cart, and your products. Now, if you haven't got any products just yet, we can go straight back to the home page by tapping on the icon on the left hand side, and it'll take us straight back over here. Now, depending on what it is that you want to sell or what your store is already selling, you can have a look through their product catalog. Now, they have thousands upon thousands of products, and what you need to do is find out exactly what it is that you would like to sell and choose that product. So just for example's sake, I'm going to jump down into one of these products, and right over here we have a LED lamp, and once you hover your cursor over the product, it gives you some options. So you can tap on list right over here, and right over here you can now list this product in your Shopify store. So right at the top, it shows you the store name that it's actually going into. As you're traveling down, it says there's some shipping information and you need to fill in all these details. So first of all, you need to ship it from somewhere, so it is already a default China warehouse, and then where it's going to, and also your shipping method. Now right over here you can change your shipping method as well as where it is actually going to. So depending on what it is that you would like to use, which package you'd like, you can just select the one that is applicable to you. Then on top of that, if you carry on down, there is a product type, a collection, and a vendor. So the vendor you can leave as your store because that is the store that you will be selling it from. The collection you can either add new over here on this tab, and this basically is related to the collections right over here in Shopify. If you go on to the left hand side to your products, you can see that there is a collections tab right over there, and if you tap that, this is what it looks like. These are your collections. So going straight into that again, you can now add whichever one you'd like to over there, and we're just going to say LED, and we're going to just confirm that, put that in. And now you can go on down and you can view the variants of this product. So this product has quite a few variants. You can just select the ones in actual fact that you want to put in your store. You don't have to use all of them. You can just select the ones that you would like. So there are different colors, there are different electrical outlets, and then there is the recommended retail price right over here, which gives you also a estimated profit margin just over there. Then the CJ price is the price that you will be purchasing it for, and then the shipping fee. Now right over here it says service fee and remote fee not included, and this is the service fee right over here. It says including labor costs in product quality, inspection, packaging, dispatch, and so forth. And then the total drop shipping cost, which is just the CJ cost. Now what we need to do is make sure that we are entering a price over here. So if you're buying it for $24, of course we don't want to sell it for $122. So we can just calculate what it is that we would like to sell it for. Perhaps let's just mark it up as $48, and then we can actually go right down to the bottom and we can say list it now. And you can either now tap view it in store right over here, and that will be viewed in your Shopify store. And a new window will open, and this is basically showing you a title, description, and all the other information you need to know about this product right over here. On the right hand side, it shows you the status of the product, and it is active, and you can leave it just like that over there. Once you have done so, you can continue to import any other products that you would like. And if you want to manage all of this, you can just tap on my CJ right over here on the top toolbar, and you can continue to import products, and you can continue to add new products to your store. It's important, of course, to go with trends and to push your sales. So if you are going with trends, you may make more sales than if you're just selling products that you feel you want to sell. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. And if you enjoy the content we put out, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.